Welcome to Lingua Latina, Chapter 16, Lesson 1, Exercises. The lesson starts out with the vocabulary exercise, and you'll see a very long list of words. This chapter has many new words, and so it is even more important than ever to go and practice your flashcards and listen to the vocabulary every week. Put it on your iPod, put it on your MP3, put it on a CD, listen in your car during your commute to school, whatever you need to do to review this vocabulary on a regular basis so that you do not feel overwhelmed by the chapter and overwhelmed by the amount of Latin you need to know later. So let's practice this. So Italia inter duo maria. We remember from the chapter, it is situated in between, right? It is in between. Inter plus sum inter est. Italia inter duo maria inter est. So id mare quod supra Italiam, that sea which is above Italy, which is again is situated. And we want that sea, so situm, because situs needs to match the noun we have here. If we had Italia, it'd be Italia sita est. Mare, which is neuter, situm est. What's it called? It's called mare superum, the upper sea. Another word for well we learned was seaway, or the mare Adriaticum, the Adriatic Sea. Nominatur. Another word for that we learned in this chapter, appellatur. Okay, infra Italiam, below Italy, is situated mare, either infrum or tuscum. Okay, do your best on the rest of those exercises. Let's try exercise 2. Exercitium secundum. So we have a question and answer. Inter quae maria sita est Italia? Between what two seas is Italy situated? Well, Italia sita est inter mare superum, seaway Adriaticum, et mare inferum, out mare tuscum. So between those two seas. Italia inter maria superum et inferum sita est. So again, the answers are going to be differing from Orberg's because of all the new words that we know. So when you get an answer, just try to answer the way that he has after you've answered the first time. Cur magnae naves Roma Madeira non possunt. Why are large ships not able to go to Rome? Well, magnae naves non Romam adira possunt, quia Tiberis non multum aquae habet. The Tiber doesn't have much of water, doesn't have much water. And here we have that quia Tiberis parvum flumen est, because the Tiber is a small river. Again, we have more words, so just covered up, and quia Tiberis parvum flumen est, and practice answering the way Orberg did. Ubi sita est Ostia, Ostia sita est ad Ostium Tiberis, at the mouth of the Tiber. Ostium is mouth. Ad Ostium. Okay, let's try exercise 3. This is the ablative absolute. This could be tricky. Ablative absolute is a combination of an ablative noun. It can be two ablative nouns, an ablative noun, ablative adjective, or ablative fourth principal part of a verb. Both ablatives are translated often as with, and they tell you the time that something is happening. So here we have during a good wind. Vento secundo. During a good wind, ships are able, or they leave port. And here we have ships are carried through the sea when there is with their sails full, while their sails are full. So if you translate it as while or when, the ablative absolute is what you're going to use.